You know what I mean? Make sure y'all hit all the gifters with a fave. Make sure y'all fave all the reds. Make sure you fave the reds. Make sure you fave the green. You know, the yellows. Smurfs. 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 We're talking to the Smurfs. Make sure y'all fave all the gifters, guys. Davies, I see you. Hey, welcome. All right, welcome everybody. And this time everything. All right, welcome everybody to Yard and Abroad with K Sweetness. Now this is a culture show. This is a culture show where we teach you the Jamaican culture. We teach you the Jamaican dialogue, which is patois. But not only that, guys, we connect with different people from around the world, whether you're from near or far. We want to know your culture. Whatever your culture represents, we want to know. Manners, I don't know where be. Don't request my box from Manners. Don't request my box. Yeah. Okay, so this week is a yard week. I don't see my guest system. But yeah, this week is yard week. This week we'll have two lovely Jamaicans. Hopefully I still two. But this week we'll have two lovely Jamaicans. One is at yard and one is, I don't know, him down one part, run one part, up on one part. Him nervous, so only see with him when he come in at the box. Not only that, this week we are talking about Jamaica and Bridging. Guys, Jamaica is a small country. It's very nice to visit, like tourism, yes. It's very nice to visit tourism. But just to know, before we kick into everything, guys, big up everybody who made my birthday special last week. Big up everybody who come on last week and party with me last week Friday. I met my birthday night last week Friday. Big up everybody who passed through. Big up all of the gifters them from last week too. Big up everybody. Big up everybody. Big up everybody who passed through last week. Now again, welcome everybody to Yard and Abroad. Now this show happens every Friday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now you don't know, say we represent Yard. So let me talk about the proverbs of the day. Now Jamaican have some little saying. We have little saying. Kind of fast, we have some little saying. Some little saying, right? We have some little type of saying. Like this one I said, sorry for Maga dog. Maga dog turn around and bite you. Again, sorry for Maga dog. Maga dog turn around and bite you. Now when this I said to you, say, you know, sometimes we tend to feel sorry for people that we think need sympathy or we think they need to be sorry for, or we need to show empathy and we need to help them. You know, those type of stuff. So the proverb says, sorry for Magadam, turn around, bite you. Sometimes we give sympathy or empathy to the wrong person, and in turn, sometimes the same person that we help, like in Jamaica, if you're in a bus and the bus is packed and there's an old person standing up, it is courtesy for you to, as a young person, to get up and give the older person the seat. But you see them old people here who live in Jamaica? You see them old people here who live in Jamaica? Some of them, you might sorry for them and say, Grandma, make I get the seat because my sister has stand up. Not sorry for me. Me look like me want you sorry for me. I don't want you sorry. I don't want you sorry. No, sir. Yeah. A madman look hungry. You guys call them homeless. We call them madman. We call them mad people. We see a mad people on the road, right? See the mad people on the road, and we say, make we sorry for him and give him some of the food where we are eat. Make we give him a box food or them side or something. Me look like I'm hungry to you. Me look hungry. And we are come and give food, me look hungry. Me not hungry. But not only that, like old people and mad people. Sometimes your same friends or your family, that you end up helping. You end up helping a friend or a family, and they turn around being your worst enemy. So in life, guys, just be careful with who you help, and everybody for help. Yes, the Bible says for help, each one help one or themselves for help everybody, but sometimes you help people and it turns out to be at a disadvantage to you who help them. So sorry for Manga Dog, and Manga Dog turn around and bite you. Again, everybody welcome to Yard and Abroad. I'm going to see one of my guests, I'm going to see the next one, but we are work through, we are go through. Yeah. All of me guests them, please box up. Press the box and box up. But so guys, Jamaica is currently going through brain drain. We are experiencing brain drain, where Jamaica is a small island. It's very nice to visit. Everything nice about Jamaica in terms of being a tourist. But we're currently experiencing brain drain where all the teachers, like school are open September, guys. School is opening in September, mind you. But currently, majority of the teachers are leaving Jamaica because of the economy. What is happening is that the economy is so bad that the teachers are trying to find better. So we're experiencing brain drain, just the same as doctors and lawyers and nurses. But the biggest thing right now in the news is that the teachers of Jamaica are fleeing because they not the money, and the money where they might get not subsidized. If you don't see me, put on one in the chat. Let me know saying me alone in here, because sometimes crickets, more than ever crickets me I talk to crickets, and me alone in here. Who in here? Put on that chat, put in here. I want, hello? Anybody in here? Anybody in here? No. The food that in Jamaica. Every time we in a verse, you hear the Americans them. I love oxtail. And I love the curry goats. And I love this. Pity them to know so we can't even buy oxtail in Jamaica. Guys, truth be told, food is almost one of the most expensive things in Jamaica. We soon can't even buy tin mackerel. Tin mackerel used to be one of the cheapest. I don't know if you guys know mackerel. Some of them call it salmon or tin salmon or I don't know what to call it, but food is one of the most expensive things in Jamaica, right? But we soon can't afford food. Honestly. Chicken back, what we love so much. Some of you guys in America and other countries, not even know when they have chicken back. Call them national. Well, we love chicken back and we soon can't buy that. Chicken in Jamaica, we not get all the chicken in Jamaica. You guys will probably go to the store and get cut up in pieces, parts. We like buy our whole chicken and cut it up ourselves. So we get something more tight, you know what I mean? But not only that, guys. So food is soon to be one of the most expensive thing in Jamaica. But to touch the food topic, this is our national dish, right? Yes. We don't know if you can tell me. Non-Jamaicans, please don't answer. Don't type in the chat. This is our national dish. This is Jamaica's national dish. This is our ackee and saltfish. This is one of the most eat food in Jamaica. Once the ackee have tree, we want ackee and saltfish. Who know what this is? What is this? Everybody love to talk about oxtail and curry goat and curry chicken. What's dirty goodie? Or somebody kick out goodie for me now? Only kick her out. No, not scrambled egg. What? Which broke? This is turned cornmeal. This is turned cornmeal, guys. So back in the days, cornmeal used to get dog. Then used to put it with chicken back, fat, the chicken back to it, the skin. And we turn it and we get the dog. Well, pity on say right now, chicken back have turned cornmeal, guys. If you guys know cornmeal, this is turned cornmeal, right? So it's a food. It's usually cornmeal in Jamaica is used to make porridge or so. But this is one of our favorite food. Turned cornmeal with steamed fish, look at any meat, anything, right? Also one of our popular dish. We normally eat this for breakfast. If you guys know this, Americans, what does this look to you? What does this look like to you? Broke. What does this look like to you guys? What is this? What? I'll look. Now this is called callaloo. You guys probably think it's spinach, but it's not spinach. You guys, Americans normally know it as to be funny, but this is another popular dish of Jamaica. This is callaloo. Callaloo, right? What is this, Jamaicans? This is another popular dish of Jamaica. We love eating this. So these are just some of the foods of Jamaica that we love. We definitely love. This is called rundown, salt mackerel rundown with dumpling and banana and yam. So guys, make sure, this is just a tip to you guys. When you come to Jamaica, don't just come to Jamaica and stay in your hotels. Don't just come to Jamaica and not experience Jamaica. Our food is to die for. And we not just eat oxtail. We can't even buy oxtail and curry and mutton. We don't call it goat. We don't come here asking the oxtail. Asking the cheap food, them some tin mackerel and rice, some cabbage and rice, some ackee salad, something. Asking something cheaper. We don't afford it. Don't ask for it. Don't ask for it. Don't ask for oxtail. We can't buy it. Don't buy it. Don't ask for it. We don't have it. We just say. Welcome everybody to Yard and Abroad and Taste Sweetness. This is a culture show, guys. We teach you the Jamaican culture. We teach you the Jamaican language, which is patois. But not only that, guys. Not only that, we connect with everybody from around the world. So once you are of a different culture, we want to know about your culture. So if you are of a different culture than my culture, me a ballad, me wear makeup, me look like certain things. If you come from a different culture, me want to know about your culture. So if you're a Rasta, come in at the thing, I make a talk about the thing, I make a reason about the thing. You get what I say? Again, welcome everybody, guys. Make sure you fave the gifters, you know what I'm saying? Big up to my top 3 gifters so far. I see the top 3 gifters them. I see Broke, I am Broke with him flat forehead. I see Prince Paul, Trap, Frank, Waterfall, Goody, Clutch. Why? I see Short, and I see Nika, and I see Beaches. Top 10. Again, welcome everybody to Yard and Abroad. As all know, if problem ready. Ready. Another thing about Jamaica, guys. You know, in America, you probably experience in America or Canada or any foreign country, it's probably easy for you to find a house to move in. You know, when you have somebody fall out, you know, it's probably easy for you to just take up your stuff and move to another house, and it's easy said and done, and you probably get a place. But here in Jamaica, the hardest thing to get is a place to live. Here in Jamaica, the hardest thing to find in Jamaica is a place to rent. Not even say a place to buy. Houses are the hardest thing to get in Jamaica. Yeah, so it's not easy for someone to take up them stuff and say, "Mega rent." And if you want to live like the easiest place to get somewhere to live. The easiest place to get somewhere to live is a ghetto area. You know ghetto, but you don't want to live this up. And everybody want to live a ghetto. If you have tolerance, you can live a ghetto. But you see, if you don't have tolerance, you know, rotate it for PK. If you're not tolerant, it's not gonna work for you. So the easiest place to find a house is in the ghetto. But you see the other place them expensive. Like rent in Jamaica is very expensive. So we talk about food and we talk about house. The two most expensive things, food and house. Most expensive. Again, welcome everybody to Yard and Abroad with K Sweetness. This is a culture show where we teach you the Jamaican, yes, food and house. Food. We soon can't buy food. And if you can't grow where you eat and eat where you grow, you soon can't buy nothing. Yeah. Ramen was the cheapest thing a shop. Ramen noodle was the cheapest thing a shop. No, we can't buy that. We used to can get that for a little bit of money. No, we can't get that. Chicken mac was the cheapest meat that can't afford. You get me? So when you see we are also the little diamond, them with the pressure we just support the team. And then another argument. You wanna know it? Yeah. If you don't put that one in the chat. If you don't like one, put that one in the chat. Let me know something in here. Welcome everybody to Yard and Abroad with K Sweetness. Now this is a culture show, I'm telling you. If you don't like one, if you don't learn about something, if it makes sense. If this show makes sense to you guys, watch coach. Ha! If this makes sense to you, put a one in the chat. If you like one, put a one in the chat. Welcome everybody, welcome everybody, welcome everybody. Yeah, and what is? We don't work with two, you know. We don't see nobody in here will say so, so please keep it to yourself. I know it's weekend, and I understand that you're like that. Okay, another number will work. Yeah, guys, make sure you fave all the reds, all the blues. No, not the blues. Fave all the reds, all the yellows, all the other colors in the world. But, you know, blues, Smurfs, we're working with you. Let's get right with God. All right, so I'm supposed to have two guests, but I only say one and two. I say the one for close, I'm going to say one when nervous. Now, this young man that I'm about to bring up, I met him a year ago. Almost. Yeah, I've been streaming for a year. I see people that stream 3 months and get top badge. I mean, they are from what we kill still up on Jones and John. Minister Setag. Yeah. I see people that are for 3 months and get top badge tag. I see people there for 3 months and get top badge talk to me. But yeah, I've been streaming on this for a year. I've been on this app for 13 years. So you know, it's a long time there. But as I say. But yeah, this young man, I've met him a year ago. He's very jovial, in nana sense. When we say nana sense, that means that he's not really functionable up at the super. Yeah. He's very supportive. Him having people them. In him, MFN, we can't call the word. I don't know if to spell, I don't know if to read. I don't know how it go. But this young man that I'm about to bring here, I met him a year ago. We've been friends since. He's also my pet. So, yeah, if I'm a pet, I'm on him. But yeah, coming to the box right now. It's none other guys. Let me tell you, when he come in here, on the click on his name, on the don't waste my time, on the make him left you on no fear, baby. On the click on his name, I fear him, on the don't ramp with me.
Hey, what make him make it sound like I don't? What make him make it sound like I don't? Why make it sound like I don't?
Don't ramp. On the don't. Alright, I'm done, guys. I'm fully done.
Just look at me. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah. Welcome to the live. Welcome to Yard and Abroad, guys. Welcome to Yard and Abroad with K Sweetness.
Hello, Jamaicans. Hello, Jamaicans. No, me just say hello to people. We're there, Jamaica. All right, cool.
All right. Welcome to the live, guys. This is MFN. Problem. This is Problem. Problem, go ahead, introduce yourself, and then make we kick off things.
So everybody don't know problem, like, you know, when you know things about it, no, alright, cool. Alright, I'm Problem, I am from St. Thomas, Jamaica, you know, that's very nice. It's very nice places. You got like this boat fountain area. The water is hot that come out of the rocks. Oh my gosh. It is so amazing.
Yeah, we just want you to tell me.
Alright, cool. Hold on. Alright.
Yeah.
Go after no? You don't ask no question, you just tell them who it is.
I'm not asking no question. I don't know you start telling me things that. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is Problem. So you're representing St. Thomas.
Yeah, east side. Yeah.
Yeah. St. Thomas is in the east side. What was your experience growing up? Where in St. Thomas are you? Where exactly in St. Thomas are you from?
Alright, in St. Thomas I came from the Dumfries, you know. You recall Dumfries.
And that's on the Obia definition?
Yeah, and there's a pop. Alright, you know famous artist Popcorn. You know famous artist.
The first question I want to ask you guys, if you don't hear about Obia, if you don't know about St. Thomas and Obia, put a one in the chat. We
That
don't
is
want
one in the chat.
But if you don't know about St. Thomas and Obia, put a one in the chat.
Yes, and you know they don't ramp with me, and you know they don't ramp with me, because I still have people down there. And you know they ramp with me then.
Yeah, if you know about St. Thomas and Obia, put a one in the chat. So for the Americans that are in here, when we talk about Obia, we talk about witchcraft. Now St. Thomas, I don't know from it, voodoo, and witchcraft. Yeah, St. Mary Stronger. Well, we have to get somebody from St. Mary, Capitan. We can't find Capitan. I don't know where St. Mary will come from. Alright. So Problem. A true some girl. That are the first question, yeah.
If you don't want to get rich like me, just link me. See me? Number is 954-911. That is it. Where am I telling you? Where am I telling you? If you want to be a stranger.
On the EM say. So tell me, Problem, what was your experience? So, are you currently living in St. Thomas right now?
No, I am abroad, overseas. Yeah.
Overseas?
Yeah.
In there, Florida, guys. You're not really absent, so I'm going to help you answer some of my questions.
But who tell me location, like? Alright.
If you live in Florida, I am abroad in Japan, fully done. Continue with
abroad, and I said abroad. I'm not a yard, so I was abroad.
Alright, so you come from yard, but you live abroad.
You want to say that on Bradwood. But alright, good.
So nice.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Yeah. So what was your experience like growing up in Jamaica? And when did you leave Jamaica?
Jamaica it is fun. But as a kid, as a picnic, as one picnic, as one youth, one juvenile, yeah, that is different. Me have people live a foreign, so then me have things that come down like bicycle, all type of things, new cars and things. Me talk about a juvenile, me say stuff. Me always have a bag of friend and pack up on my yard.
I am so dead. Yeah.
Alright, cool. I have to look at them. I remember them. I'm looking at it.
Why? Yeah.
Yeah.
Problem.
Having family live abroad when I live at Jamaica. I not like, you see me, I get all the new things, man. You see me, I say? And when youth, you get no girl because you have people that are foreigners. You see me, I say, and they want things too. You see me, I say, because them licky, I don't call it. You know them girl, you know them. So yeah, then why don't you probably one of them too now? But alright, cool. Yeah. So we have one bicycle, we do all type of riding around, everything. Like agriculture. From a youth, you learn how to do like.
When I say,
from a youth, you learn how to do like agriculture and all those type of things. You see me I say?
So what problem I say, guys? In Jamaica, you have broke picnic and you have not so broke picnic. You have picnic where have smarty or live a foreign. We call USA, Canada, anywhere when they are Jamaica, foreign. If you don't live in Jamaica, you live a foreign. So basically, problem is saying him did have somebody a foreign, and then they have the foreign things them. I come now. Me used to do it too. I used to get married regular too, so I know it.
Yes, that is it.
I used to tell people say I have sister foreign. I mean, I have no sister them time. I mean, my mother not even know about having a sister. I mean, used to have. So that's what we do. So him did say him never so unfortunate like some of we. Him the fortunate. So when him got foreign, he done used to certain things already. He was so nice, so nice.
Yeah.
So nice. Again, welcome everybody to Yard and Abroad. Make sure y'all hit problem with a fave, guys. Make sure you fave problem. Make sure you fave problem, guys. Click on his name and fave him. We're working the fave. So problem.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about where you live. Like, what makes St. Thomas unique and different from all the other parishes in Jamaica? In your view.
St. Thomas, what do you mean? Alright, you see like what I was talking about. When we talked about earlier, with the bath fountain and the heated water come out of the rock, that's very unique about this place. You know what I'm saying? That's called bath fountain. If you go to Jamaica, when you go visit there, when you leave there, you have a nice nap. What?
Mineral.
Yeah, you know that man tell you called bath fountain. We tell you
We don't know what you're talking about when you call it nice name.
And a nice name, I said them call it.
Yeah, mineral. Yeah, that's the name.
What's the mineral? That's what I'm telling you. I tell you, you ask me about them, I tell you what name. I'm not tell you a different name. You see me I say? That's what call it.
So guys, what am I saying? In St. Thomas, because I'm nervous, I don't know why I'm live every day in the second. I don't know why I'm nervous. But he's telling us about the mineral bath in St. Thomas where it's the water, there's a section in St. Thomas where the water is hot. In a cool, in a little bit of cool. It's hot. So they use it for healing and them kind of something. But yeah, continue. What makes St. Thomas unique? I'm nervous.
Alright, that's one of the things that make it unique, and then we have a lot of like rivers. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So where in Jamaica, otherwise from St. Thomas is one of your most favorite place?
Would have to be like Ochi.
Ochi?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm like the tourist area them. Like feel like one tourist. You go over there.
Like when you touch the topic there now, the next question is when it comes to tourism in Jamaica, what do you think need improvement? Like you being a foreigner now, and you know we still live in Jamaica, I suffer. You know what I mean? What do you think needs improving? Guys, you can also participate in the chat, guys. If you want to answer some of the questions, you can go ahead, because if you live in Jamaica, you're related to Jamaica, you can also share your views as well. Share your views as well, right?
Yeah,
what do you think needs to get better when it comes to tourism? Nah, that's Jamaica. Live somewhere look like Jamaica, but you live a foreign.
Tourism. Well, first of all, like the economy have to get better first before you even talk about that. Like, if them not get better pay, we expect people to do. Get better service.
But did you know, guys, that tourism is one of our biggest paying? Like tourism pay the country the most. And even though tourism pay the country the most, the government still send broke. And them something there. They still don't pay the people that deals with the tourists in the tourist industry. Even if we not get tip, that's why we tell us, if you want to come in and we live and we see we at work, want to make you feel good, it's not easy. It's not easy. Yeah, it's not easy. It's not easy. Right? Now, who you say, now, how would you compare then and now Jamaica? We are up in age. We're not young. We're not 19, we're not 20.
Jamaica is nice back then, because now our grandma hit them thing, they're not nice like them time. You know better.
No, we used to have a thing called Grandma Guys, and Grandma did nice. When Christmas Eve come, we look for that. We look for
market, the people that say, what that? Them young kids are not gonna know what is that. Doesn't mean it's like I remember what we have, we would never go see. Doesn't mean younger people have never go see. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly. Again, everybody, welcome to Yarn and Abroad with K-Sweetness. Guys, make sure you fave my fucking problem, right? Make sure you fave Mr. Problem, guys. Guys, make sure you fave me. Yeah. More fave. Shout out to the top 3 gifters in the box right now. I see Nika up at the top. I see her up at so. I see Brooke. I see Prince. I see Putty. I see Chop. I see Waterfall. I see Nika again. Who up the song? I'm Frank. Me Ross. Frank, are you there? I'm Frank. Let me see Coach Jonathan. I see Shorts. I see Peaches. Frank. What now? Frank, alright, welcome. If you like what I'm going, if you're learning something, if it makes sense to you guys, put a 1 in the chat. If it makes sense to you, if what you're learning and what you're hearing makes sense to you, put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat.
Yeah,
it can make sense to you.
He done, send a boy. You don't know number.
Fully done.
Everything
fully done. Now, when it comes to manners, American and Canadian people don't really have this fun unless they have a stern parent background. When it comes to manners in a Jamaica, what did it mean to you as a child growing up in Jamaica?
You go with the granny?
Yeah.
You go with the granny?
Yeah.
You know better.
You know better. If you grow with a granny.
Yo, I don't know you do the crime and your daddy and your cousin do it, you get beaten too. So you
Nice.
and if you go somewhere and I say good morning or good evening, you get a box. You see me I say? Probably I'll get one kick too. If it's easy respect, you have to know about it. You have to know about it.
As him said, manners is due. So manners mean respect. As a child growing up, guys, even if your mother and the neighbor fall out, you can't involve it.
Yeah, you have to still pass and say good morning.
Get involved. And if you and the mother and the neighbor fall out, you can get involved. You have to have manners. And we call manner. You have to have respect. We say manners. Manners, respect manners. For those who don't know, it's respect. Manners means respect.
If he talks them, womaners. You know go? Yeah.
No, manners. What is your favorite food? Jamaican dish. We just talk about food.
We have to go back to food again. I pudding, you know, the potato pudding. My grandma used to make one battery to potato pudding. We look at things on the top of it. And that means to love. Yeah.
Ella top, Ella bottom. Hallelujah in Amigo.
Oh, I don't know about it.
That is, you never find too long. So potato
No,
pudding.
I know where else.
People don't know how potato pudding make put 1 in a chat. This I don't say that. I don't know where it come from. I don't know if you live here.
Mama, and the cold stove are the best. Just easy no more.
People don't know how potato pudding make.
Put it on. My grandmother raised it. So it's like,
so you never see the woman make it outside and listen, I know people
cold stove, and look at something on the top of it.
Ella top, Ella bottom, hallelujah in the middle. So all it used to make, guys, since him touch it, because they have a stressful time. Father God, let us pray. Okay, so pudding, you have the fire underneath with the Dutch pot, and then you always have to put fire at the top so that it make. If you don't do that, it not make. It not make.
I never make good, like, you know, yeah. That is not it.
Nah, make good. So let me ask you some question, right? And you're gonna tell me which one you prefer. Right? That's the fun. Guys, you can also participate in the comments. Yeah. So let me say, house party, club, or dance, street dance. Which one you rather?
Street dance.
Why?
That is it. At Jamaica, we go to the morning. Don't go to the morning. And then in the morning you get all the food. That one they are talking about. Mama, what you say? Good times. River or beach, guys. You can participate
participate? River or beach?
River, St. Thomas we come from. River. Although me can't swim. Yeah, river. One time, you know what time I'm on drown? Me drown about 5 times already. Everything alright.
Why? Why? Is it because they come from St. Thomas? Why you rather river? Why?
Yeah.
River
Because river is nice. And the fresh water, it's like fresh water where I run, you know, it's like nice. And you go there, cook and do things. It's me river different from beach, like different. Different experience.
Mother's party juicy beef or Mother's party juicy beef or Tasty's party.
Which part? Where Tasty's I go? I found it, don't it? I found it. I don't know good badness, man. I juicy beef, please, with the juicy beef, please. Juicy beef, please. I found another too long.
Juicy beef party, but that Tasty's a foundation.
So you tell me what me like. You ask me what me like, don't it?
But we are telling you what we like now.
No, let me just ask you what Tasty's I go. That's what I said, what Tasty's I go.
Tasty's party a foundation party. Foundation.
Yeah, them crust, I don't like their crust. I don't like their crust.
Fast food, I run a boat.
I ship, man.
Ship.
That is it.
You know what ship, if you know what run a boat mean, I run a ship mean, put a one in the chat. If you know what run a boat mean, put a one in the chat.
Why you think me say river? Because I run boat on a river, you see me and say, I will not talk about the water.
No, when you run boat, put a one in the chat. 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 If you know. So when you say run boat, guys, team is tired of you. Only can kick out tea, please. Somebody kick out tea, please. Speak that bigger. So when we say run a boat, guys, it means we don't know what the people them call. Anybody live here from foreign? We don't know what run a boat mean a foreign. What it mean from them?
Huh?
Where them got it? We don't know. Backyard.
Yeah!
Eating back our chicken. Problem. Guys, you can type in the comments. Cook out. Oh yeah, him do cook. That one they do cook out a lot. That one they will just comment. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, barbecue business.
Yeah. So him, cook out.
Barbecue, cook out business.
Cook out.
Cook out. When they say run boat in the kitchen too. You run boat on the river. You see me run boat like we about to throw down. You know what I'm saying? Do something like that.
Guys, Jamaicans are one of the fastest cookers in the world. Like when and two big cakes. You talk about the yardie. Curry chicken mac or curry chicken or curry goat. Curry chicken mac, curry chicken or curry goat. Which one of them?
It's a difference. Who are cooking, my granny?
Which one? Anyone? Chicken back.
Yo, you can go on and never choke on some chicken back on it. You never choke on chicken back. You can go on and talk about the chicken. You're born.
No, we ain't never want to people. Alright, one more. What does our word please? So problem.
Yeah.
Tell me now.
You know, some of the neighbors will get comfortable now. Ask me
as somebody living in overseas, they live overseas now.
Abroad, it's yard and abroad, Kate. It's yard and abroad.
Abroad.
Yeah.
Alright,
Okay.
continue. Abroad, you live abroad.
Mm-hmm.
How different it is living abroad compared to living in Jamaica? Like, how does it make you feel? If you live abroad, you can type it in the chat too.
Alright, you want me to be real? You want me to be real?
Be real.
Real and cut.
And nobody would get cool.
Okay, uncut, but alright, cool. Remember, I don't care. Alright, cool.
Uncut chicken back now.
Alright, let me say, it's easier for me make money abroad than in Jamaica. Me there in Jamaica, I have to chop. Because I can't take them a little bit of money when I pay me to job them. I swear. I have to chop a line, somebody will get scam. I tell them, it's easier for them to find and make money right here. So, it's me say, I'm paying car, I buy and sell car, and I'm legal thing. But me there in Jamaica, I scam. I don't want them to look at the money there. Because I tell the truth, you say be real. You can't even have a Jamaica minimum wage, man. Look at me, Ken. Minimum wage could buy them jersey, you see me answer? Minimum rate couldn't buy them jersey, man. I can't
I know Jamaican in a comment here will live a foreign and them not chop and them.
No, that me say, me not chop a foreign. I buy and sell cars and I paint cars and I do all those type of things. But if I was in Jamaica's, I would have been chopping. Alright? That's what I'm saying.
Me not chop.
No, that's a UK. You're okay with that. But me I tell you, my lifestyle is different. The type of way I want to live is different. So, we can't do that.
Yeah, chop the bush, yeah.
Well, probably still, because I have a skill now, still, so I probably could have opened my shop.
Washing machine are using your hand. Guys.
Nothing like hand washing, because your white clothes, I mess up my t-shirt, right? This is hand.
So you still wash your hands foreign?
Yeah. I don't lose my roots then. And that's why I don't lose my roots then.
Don't talk, because you love put things in a machine.
You look cakes up, but I use a wash face. Yeah, I use those on these. Yeah.
Machine. Yeah. So cook food are dryers.
I like still them, I like the dryers them more while still because pass on the cook food. More time I have to beat them before I cook food, you know what I say? So yeah.
Again, everybody, welcome to Yarn and Abroad with KCNet. This is a culture show where we teach you the Jamaican culture. We teach you the Jamaican dialogue, which is fatter, but not only that, guys. We connect with everybody. Whether in the near, far, or around the corner, we connect with you. We want you to come here, so come talk. In the box, we have problem representing Yard, what they live abroad.
Then yeah.
Make sure you guys hit him with a fame. Make sure you click. If you fear him, put a wine in the chat. If you click him, if you don't fear him, put a wine in the chat. Put a wine in the chat. If you fear him, we never say number. You say a dunce is a little dunce. Put a wine in the chat. If you have problem, put a wine in the chat. Put a wine in the chat. Put a wine in the chat. Get to our residential. Get to our residential here. Get up. Where would you rather live?
In Jamaica?
Yeah.
That's why you know, say get up fun still. Get up fun.
Yeah. And that people don't understand.
Yeah.
When people
we have to get
talk
down.
about
We have
Jamaica,
to get to. We have to wealthy and get to still. You can't just get down regular. And that work. You know? You have to alright.
Yeah.
We get up fun still. Get the fun.
Yeah. Hotel or motel, which one you rather? Dive in the chat, guys. Dive in the chat. Hotel or motel?
Airbnb, miss. You're going to have a third option.
And then you're right. I know who you are here.
You're going to have a third option.
Hotel or motel?
Alright, hotel.
What is that?
You can have a third option or Airbnb, but that's still, I don't know. A two options.
On the grass or in the bedroom? In the open, in the bush, or on the type in the chat, in the grass, run on the tree, or in the bedroom. Which one of them?
In the what?
Uncut. Outside of the bush. Bush.
You know, mobile.
Push.
You want to feed me me not
if you never do it a bullshit, put a one in the chat. If you never do it, watching. If you never do it a bullshit, put a one in the chat. This is a Jamaican segment of Yard and Abroad. Guys, make sure you put a fear on problem. If you never do it a bullshit, if you never live no life.
If you never do it a bush, if you never, no, they never part. They probably say if you do it a bush. Maybe they think you say if you do it a bush, put a one.
If you have done it in the bushes, we don't want to talk it too nice. If you do it a bush, put a one in the chat. Alright, if you do it a bush, put a one in the chat. Put a one in the chat. If you do it a bush, put a one in the chat. Hey, no! Just mass. Guys, please note that this live is being recorded for quality purposes. Please keep the comments No outer term words, please, guys, please. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, make a continue.
Alright, cool.
Spring water or pipe water. We know you come from St. Thomas, so that is known for spring water.
Pipe water, me did Jamaica, so yeah, that work. But no, my system different now. Me can't do that. Me get sick.
Bag juice or suck.
Why? Bag juice.
Bag juice or suck.
Why? Bag juice. Bag juice.
Bag juice or suck. Bag juice, no.
But that's
Suck was the thing. Suck was the thing.
guys, you don't want to distract.
If you are Jamaican, no. You see, it's uno with the nowadays talk, uno nonsense.
No,
Everybody in our life is suck. You tell me say
you hear me say no? Them there want sky juice. Why you tell me say you want to distract and put ice in it and them still mix it down. Don't tell me foolish.
Suck.
Wrong with you?
No.
Suck, I want to put in the freezer, I freeze. Wrong with you? Them want to good now.
Yes, suck.
No, you do that. Me never do buy them there. Bag juice me you buy. Is it
All
right?
you would know do is drink. Yo.
No, me they buy the bag juice. Me never do coffee down there.
So, if you don't like one, put a K in the chat. If you don't like a show, put a K in the chat. If you don't think that this is a good thing to talk, put a K in the chat. Real quick. Maybe see some yardy flag in the chat. Let's put some yardy flag. Maybe see some yardy flag. We just love the yardy them. Oh, sure. I feel sure we are ready. We are cut it.
Okay, how long them give it?
Alright, one more.
How long them for the show?
The song guy.
No, you can't keep me all night if you like it. If you don't like me, you say hi. If you don't like me, you say hi.
My next guest is not here. You don't see that? Fine, yeah, tell him that. Yeah. Shutters are dancehall queen.
What's that?
Shutters are dancehall queen.
You know me have to go with Shutters. Alright, okay? Dancehall queen, you are going to say that.
Dancehall queen is nice.
Shutters a bad boy thing.
Can be a bad man son. When you never like dancehall queen is bad.
Shutters is
Walk
bad
on
boy.
lane. Walk on lane.
Hold on, no? We got a partner, you can't have a mistake. Shutters, man. Mark, done him. You see me I say, come on. You can't do it better than that.
Shimada and Trevor.
Trevor, yo, skip no. Trevor. Skip no. Trevor can go.
Again, guys, welcome to Yarn and Abroad with K Sweetness. This is a culture show where we teach you the Jamaican culture. We teach you the Jamaican language, guys. This happens every Friday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Right, that's no problem. What keeps you motivated as a Jamaican? And you know, so the struggle always real, and we look at things different. Jamaicans look at things different. What keeps you motivated as a Jamaican? No.
Well, never better, brother. You want a big neck guy with a borderline? Alright, cool.
Trevor,
What do you mean I say that? Alright, good. I say what keep you motivated? You know what I say? Me have to have really a mental space so I don't really care what people think still. That's really what keep me going, isn't it? Because I mean everything for myself, so really. That's really what me keep going, isn't it? Just keep my mental, my peace of mind. Isn't it what I say? That's it.
How does it feel knowing that on this app, even though it's an American it's owned by Russia now, but how does it feel as a Jamaican being on this app and seeing the dominance of Jamaicans on this app currently, knowing that you're on the only Jamaican show?
No, hear me say now. I love to see my people strive, but you see Jamaica now up on a whole, it's like we don't know how to appreciate somebody else winning. You see me? I say, well, we're supposed to win, you see me? But I do, you see me? I like to see this. That's why I'm even come for your show, because me I say, you see me? I want to know for a year, you know, you see me? I say, it's only right. You see me? I say, motivation to people, that is it.
Yeah, tag. 3 months and get that badge. Can you believe this?
That is it.
3 months and get that badge. Tag. Yeah. But yeah, just one more question before you go. Why would you why Jamaica? Is Jamaica still home sweet home for you, and why would you recommend that people visit Jamaica?
I just build my house done them soon for next year. Jamaica is home for me, build my house.
Coming to St. Thomas?
Yeah. 5 everyone. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is it.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell us, why you recommend Jamaica? Why you recommend that people travel to Jamaica, and what are the things that you think people should know about Jamaica before they go, real quick?
Too much question that still know about 5 and I want that, you know. Alright, 10 tour in a one. Jamaica is the best vacation spot. You see me? Island. You see me? I say beaches are amazing. Tell them just live on the beach or there, you know, Elsha. Yeah? The party, nice. And go on and enjoy myself. Where I talk about?
Yeah.
Now, some of my food not too good. You know, just tell them some of my good spot in the bars. Just it could be a tour guide for you guys. And I favor him too.
I was a tour guide too. Yeah. Again, welcome everybody to Yard and Abroad. But problem, let me take the time out to thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for representing St. Thomas. Guys, to be a guest on this, to come up in this box, you have to be a guest. You have to be a guest, an invited guest. So you cannot come in at the back, sir. But yeah, DJ Clutch, what Clutch there? Anybody see Clutch? I feel like never damage Clutch. But yeah, again, thank you so much, Problem, for, what is it, Clutch? Anybody? Okay, text Clutch for me. Okay, text Clutch. Thank you so much, Problem, for coming. I really do appreciate you. You cannot come in a month, yeah? Yeah. Well, thank you so much, Problem. Guys, make sure you hit a fave on Problem. Problem, do your best. Thank you so much for coming.
Okay, everybody.
Before you come out of the box, let them know where you stream, how often you stream, what's your Instagram, and do you have a YouTube? What you have?
Well, this is just for fun for me, but at this point, so I stream like after work, after like 7 o'clock till whenever. Yeah. Instagram, Maya. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Problem. Appreciate you. Guys, make sure you fade Problem. Make sure you hit Problem with a fade. May I look for Clutch? Anybody see Clutch? Anybody see Clutch? Me can't believe. Anybody see Clutch? Anybody see Clutch? I'm just in a kill you. It was saying, funeral in a Clutch, please to box up, Clutch. Again, everybody, welcome to Yard and Abroad with K Sweetness. This is a content show where we teach you. Okay. We teach you the Jamaican culture with Jamaican language. Guys, make sure you fave me. Guys, click on my name. Scroll to the bottom. Follow me on Instagram, guys. If you want to be a part of this show, guys, it don't matter where you're from. If you want to be a part of this show, if you want to be a part of this show, guys, just hit me up in my Instagram and let me know that you would like to be a part of this show. Yeah, right? You want a box up. Yeah. Again, welcome everybody, guys. Shout out to the top 10 gifters. I see some people. Let me see what I'm going. Frankie. We had Frank, me need to see it. No. Frank. But yeah, shout out to the top 10 gifters so far. Shout out to Frank. Shout out to Mr. Broke. I am broke. Shout out to Prince Paul. Shout out to Goody. Number 4. She there right there. So shout out to Trap. Waterfalls, Nika, DJ Clutch, Short, Beaches. Shout out to the top 10 gifters. But not only that, guys. Shout out. Yeah, top. Me shout out the top 3 gifters at the end. So I could see who I got end at the top. Top 3 gifters I got get big shout out at the end. So let me see who I got done with it. But yeah, Clutch. Coming to the box right now, guys. This young man. Also met him a year ago. Guys, I just celebrated my 1-year anniversary on this streaming on this app. This young man that I'm bringing to the box. When I just met him, he was my sniper. You call him my sniper, cause him just snipe. No, you're not absolute. What the rotted? Alright, wait. Alright. Announcement. Let me read out the announcement before Coach come. Alright, announcement, guys. Check out these shows coming up. Guys. So check out AK's Shine Bright Like a Diamond talent show, award show. It's the awards tomorrow at 8 and Sunday 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and Sunday at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's AK Shine Bright Like a Diamond talent show. Okay, also one. Also check out AK's Pet Talk. Now a lot of us play pets on here, but we don't understand it. So if you wanna understand pets, guys, check out AK's Pet Talk every Sunday at 4:30 p.m. Alright, 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's AK. Okay. Also, check out Top Shelf Sound Clash with Islam Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, them not tell me no, me just do what me say. Me just how me say. Also, this Sunday, if you not come, put a one in the chat because we want everybody in here to come. This Sunday is the launch of my brand new content, my brand new show. It's called A Woman's World. There's a lot of women on here, but there's no women's show. I mean, there's a lot of other motivational shows and so forth, but there's no women's show. So this Sunday is the launch of my new content, my new show called A Woman's World. It's about women and the things that we encounter, but it's not only for women. So men, you are invited to come and share your views and put your 2 cents. The guest for this week is Hoodie, Paul, and TT Mama. So guys, make sure you come this Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for A Woman's World. Pull up that room there, guys. It's our new show. Not only that, guys, this, me eat Clutch. Me want kill Clutch, me can't kill him, but yeah. This September 9/11 is Dress to Impress. I can't believe so I meet my target. Big up all of my haters them. Wanna push me for be better. Big up all of you here who don't like me and don't want to see me go far. But yeah, big up yeah. Shout out to my 21 contestant. 21. I mean no more soon come, but I hit my goal and I'm really, really, really proud of that. Dress to Impress Action 9/11. I can't probably squeeze 2 more if no one comes still. There's nothing on. Whisper on my ears, but Dress to Impress Action coming up. I don't know what the next action I name. If you have a suggestion on just link me, I'll work it out. But yeah, Dress to Impress Action 9/11. We still away on Clutch. 15 minutes soon done. Yeah. But yeah, if you enjoy the show, put that one in the chat now. I know it's only there. I'm feel like I talk to myself because one do Clutch. If you're still in here, put that one in the chat. Mr. People. Mr. People still come. And little boo people, welcome. Welcome everybody. Hello, anybody in here? Hello? Who in here? Red people? Any red people? Is there any red people in here? That person is yeah. Welcome everybody to Yarn and Abroad with K Sweetness. Again, this is a culture show where we teach you the Jamaican culture, we teach you the Jamaican dialogue, but not only that, guys, we connect with you from around the world. Now, in the box right now, currently, is my number one all-time. Let me see how far I reach. Come think you reach too, Kevin. I could see. No, I'm not reached it yet. My number one all-time top gifter. He's not just somebody. He is the man on the top right there. Watch him anyway. In the box right now is DJ Clutch. Guys, make sure you fave Clutch. Hit him with a fave, guys. Make sure you fave Clutch. He's gonna be my entertainer. He's my special guest for today. DJ Clutch in the cut. He's a sniper. Well, in retire. In retire.
My bad.
Retire, Clutch. In retire.
Wait.
And make sure y'all hit Clutch with a fave. Make sure you fave me, guys. Please follow me on Instagram.
Make sure you fave me, Rise Class.
No, Clutch.
What? I forgot that that's
Content.
bad word.
No bad word. Anyway.
So no smoking. I can't smoke like I usually smoke, like
No.
always smoke.
Until 15 minutes past 9, you can do that. When 15 minutes past 9, you can go on. But not now. Begin. Not now. Guys, make sure you fave. Make sure you fave Clutch. Clutch, you can go ahead. Clutch, before you start, please introduce yourself and then go ahead.
You want to find out who I am? Click on my bio, Instagram, TikTok. It's in the bio.
Before we kick it off, let me take this time out to thank you everyone for coming. Make sure y'all fave me. If you want to be a part of this show, make sure y'all hit me up on Instagram, guys. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram. Check out our YouTube. This show is being recorded and posted on YouTube. So guys, please follow me on YouTube. That's K Sweetness. Make sure you follow Clutch. Check out his Instagram. It's ICU Clutch on Instagram, on TikTok, and on YouTube. ICU Clutch. And follow me on TikTok and YouTube too. K Sweetness. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Adrian. Guys, make sure you fave Adrian. She's my graphic designer. She's also the person that does my recording. So yeah, that's it.
Standing at the top, that's how I know you never seen the top. Sierra King parking lot, looking like Magic City parking lot. Hear the talks when I walk by, like you know it's open when you drop. Hey, drop. Yeah, and I'm coming with the wop. Y'all niggas not popping. Fuck it, and she going shopping. Well, I'm running out of options. They're running out of options. Put them up for adoption. Sign my name on the dot. This is not love, baby. This is no for a lead, no horseshoe. I'm in the bank to employ you. I'm in New York on John Check. Supermodels and they all sex. Lock the door to the bathroom. They doing something that is not pets. I'm just pouring up the shots. I remember that I told y'all bitch that I was kind of like a math text. I remember that I told y'all I loved you. That was really in the past tense. I remember that I told you I get you. Truth is that I get around. Let you have an insecure 42 head. I tend to kid around. Yeah. On Benedict with the top down. Shorty's out here getting knocked down. City coming off a lockdown. Rap niggas doing weak features for a pop artist cause they pop down. Used to wanna throw the rock up. You're a partner, someone who knows how to ride without keep falling home. Gotta be compatible. Takes me to my limits. Girl, when I break you off, I promise that you won't wanna get on. If you're horny, let's do it. Ride it, my pony, my saddle's waiting. Come and jump on it. If you're horny, let's do it. Oh, baby. Just tryna change your life. I'm just tryna change your life. Just tryna change your life. Y'all know what you're saying. You out of line, why you waste my time? I'm tryna switch, tryna get high. See it in my eye. I know she playing both sides. That bitch telling lies. But my dick give her a high. She down for the ride. Them hating bitches kill the vibe. Probably live your life. Bad bitches is a white. Umbrella with ice. 10 bad bitches on my side. Make them come my way. Smoking on no fun. She like China White. Loving all these pills she said she used to. She wanna go way up. Okay, baby, if you used to it. And I know that you a grown woman. And I know that you know what you do.
Bleed the streets. I'm just gonna bleed the streets. Ski mask on my face. Tell you gotta cheat to stay ahead in this bitch. Drink certain like it's liquor. Street life, I have you catching up to God quicker. Sticker, AK-40 to your lipper. Let the chopper bang on you like a blood or a gripper. Flipper, so much bread, I'm a gymnast. Made so much money off of dummies. I'm Mr.
Body catcher, slaughter gang, soul snatcher. Ain't no regular F-150, this a fucking rapper. No capper, street nigga, not a rapper. Chopper hit him and he turned into a booty clapper. Smith and Wesson, I'm 4L gang reppin'. We done baptized more niggas than the damn reverend. Camera alpha in my gang, we do all the steppin'. Who you checkin'? It's FN shooting to
This shit crazy. I'm in Miami with Gucci Roll, look like flavor. This murder shit ain't none of me. Waking shit on the daily. Lil' bitch say she ain't heard of me. Told you little bitch she gave us. Then trapping up on my flip. Wish I could go trap on my say these niggas ain't. I ain't losing sleep about it though. Members creep like TLC. 2 to 3 shells out the G. No one gon' take care of me the way that I take care of me. Get broke in front security. Your bodyguard ain't scaring me. Put your friend in therapy. You know I did. He better live. Asking me take care of it. I squash it if I pay the bill. I don't play the ticket. The game they play, no, I don't play with them. I don't free pick niggas when I be for sure, no favoritism. This boy still need training wheels. These army goods, not baby goods. All these folks and babies in my house, I'm like a baby. Gucci man and Shank, the twins, we bait them, man, they played in it. But she ain't good friends with nothing in it. Stand on 10, I raised in it. Shoot them first and get the first, my bank account go crazy, nigga. Police keep on chasing niggas. One shot kill them, make the niggas. I think that's my dude, no whiskey, ain't no way I'm trading, nigga. No shade, I'm too rich to fade, he ran up, so I...
New York City, please go easy on me tonight. New York City, please go easy on me.
Look, niggas, my shit. Welcome to the city of thoughts. Pop was the king of New York. Now I'm the nigga in charge. Only kills the city of sauce. Found out the ops me pick them apart. I give them my time, so I give them my heart. The city let me then I'm really a star.
New York City, please go easy on me tonight. New York City, please go easy on this part of mine. Some say my lover, the answer, another. New York City, please go easy on me.
Yeah, I'm on set. 50,000 on my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check. I'ma always take the money over sex. That's why they need me out the way, what you expect. Got a lot of blood and it's cold. They keep trying to get me for my soul. Thankful for the women that I know. Can't go 50-50 with no hope. Every month, I'm supposed to pay her bills and get her what she want. I still got like 7 years of doing what I want. My dad still got child support from 1991. Out of town, people love to pop a lot of shit and come around. Word of Flacco Jody, he done seen us put it down. Niggas asking if I'm cool, I'm upset. 100,000 on my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check. You tryna check? This is real life. Niggas think we playing chess. So what's next? Jump up out the bed like I'm possessed. I go out on tour and I say I'm drinking less. And I'm getting loose and getting pictures from my...
Gonna hurt your back, dragging on them back like that. I guess nobody ever told you all you must hold on to is you, is you, is you. One day, all them bags gon' get in your way. One day, all them bags gon' get in your way. I said one day, all them bags gon' get in your way. One day, all them bags gon' get in your way.
Hey girl, I'm the pretty. If I should take you home, should I take you home? I don't think you feel ready, but I just gotta know if you're ready. She say she wanna take her skirt off. I decided to take my shirt off, and we've been sipping on that Merlot. So you know what's next? Perfect in the mission, switching positions, we so explicit. Oh, you've been saying all night long that you couldn't wait to get me all alone. What you gon' do to me? Don't talk about me, you gotta let me see, let me see, let me see. I can't wait to get you on. Talk a good game, man. Come on, holler about what you gon' do to me. Talk about it, be about it, let me see, let me see, let me see. I've been anticipating what you would do to me.
You know I appreciate you,
What you
Goody,
gon' do to
baby.
me? Sex, education, and so when you with me, can you handle me? Kush, and we've been sipping on that Merlot. Perfect in the mission. Kush, roll glass full. I prefer the better things. Niggas with no money act like money isn't everything. I'm having a good time. They just trying to ruin it. Shout out to the fact that I'm the youngest nigga doing it. Cap on, brim bent, dance sell every time. She ain't trying to pop that shit for pimp. Okay, well never mind. I tried to told you Drizzy still ain't nothing nice. Brace the saying you should quit. Cars saying fuck your life. Okay, now we out of here. Toodles to you bitches. And if you dolled up, I got the voodoo for you bitches. Yeah, I'm busy getting rich. I don't want trouble. I made enough for two niggas, boy, stunt double. Famous like a drug. Yeah, I'm taking too much but I never ever trip. Just peace, happiness, and love. I got money in these jeans, so they fit me kinda snug. Plus the game is in my pocket, nigga. This is what I do.
For those walls I built, maybe they're tumbling down. They didn't even put up a fight. Didn't even miss a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Stepping in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo. Pray it won't fade away. Halo, you see your halo. Halo, you see your halo.
Miss K, baby.
Must have spent 45,000 up in Tiffany. Your problems, baby, and I got mine. Let's just spend it all by putting it together. Yeah. When you say you love me, it don't mean nothing. If you care, you be there like you used to be. Yeah. I'm searching for the words to make you realize that I really, really want you to stay. Oh, yeah. Here's a frustration I hold inside, but if you won't go away, you'll make this strong man cry. Don't leave, baby. Don't leave me, girl. No, please stay with me tonight. Don't leave me, girl. Stay with me too. It ain't yours. It ain't yours. It ain't yours. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Beauty goes for all y'all.